Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, imagine an AI that does not just talk to you, it feels with you. Welcome to FurGPT, the first ever emotional AI ecosystem built on Web3 technology. FireGPT goes beyond traditional artificial intelligence. It's designed to remember, adapt, and emotionally respond, allowing you to form genuine, evolving connections with your AI companion. With the arrival of its emotional memory and context awareness upgrade, FireGPT brings a deeply human element into the world of digital intelligence. In this video, we will discuss all aspects. In addition to FurGPT, here we will also discuss an airdrop event of FurGPT on Maxi. So this video is going to be very informative. Don't skip any part of the video. Here I would like to clarify that this video is for informational and educational purpose and should not be taken as financial advice. Please always conduct your own research before taking part in any project. So let's discuss. But here I would like to share a big news with you. Dear viewers, there is a big news by Business Insider that AI Pets platform FurGPT prepares to list FGPT token on Binance Exchange and Aster Decentralized Exchange. And this news has been shared on Twitter by FurGPT. Dear viewers, at its heart, FurGPT is where AI meets emotion. Built on the advanced GPT-4 models, it enables users to design and train their own AI companions that learn from every interaction. These companions adapt to your tone, style, and emotions, evolving just like real friendship do. The unique feature, you own your AI. Thanks to Web3 integration, every user has full control, ownership, and privacy over their data and emotional interactions. This is not just another chatbot, it's a leap toward emotionally intelligent technology that's understand you. Here you can check that powerful features of icon creation, AI powered customization, and high quality output. And you can create your own pets. And if you want to join it, first of all, you will have to connect your wallet. You can connect to your Web3 wallet. You can also connect to Wallet Connect. So after connecting wallet, you can join FurGPT platforms available, invites users to explore a world where creativity, empathy, and blockchain ownership come together. Within the ecosystem, you will find a creative suite to design unique AI companions, context-aware learning systems, a secure marketplace for upgrades and personalization, and a growing network of emotionally driven innovation. The FGPT token serve as the driving force behind the FurGPT ecosystem. It empowers users to unlock premium AI models and participate in the governance and ecosystem. And it deploys across BNB chain, Ethereum, and Lithosphere AI, ensuring flexibility and multi-chain interaction. With a total supply of 1.5 billion FGPT, the token supports research community growth. Now we will discuss airdrop. The FurGPT airdrop event is live on Maxi. Early supporters can share in 5 million FGPT tokens, celebrating the project's expansion into the new markets and communities. To participate, visit the Maxi airdrop page and join FurGPT Global Mission to make Emotion AI accessible for everyone. Here you can check that events start on 21st of October and FGPT listed on 21st of October 2025. Event ends on 28th of October and reward settlement and reward distribution completed. You can check out the details of new user stocks deposit trade to share 5 million FGPT, make a net deposit of 100 US dollars worth of tokens or 15,000 FGPT. You can make a deposit through a link on chain deposit, p2p trading, and quick buy sell, so you can make deposit. And the next one is complete spot or future trade to earn rewards. First one is trade FGPT on spot. Cumulative valid spot volume must be equal to 100 US dollars or more than 100 US dollars. The first 5,000 users will share 500,000 FGPT and rewards. Here is the link. You can take part in spot trading. And the next one is trade any pair on futures. Cumulative valid valid future volume should be more than 120,000 US dollars, that equal to $120,000. The first 1125 users will share a 4.5 million FGPT in rewards, and you can take part in the future trades. So first of all, we will check out the spot trade. Dear viewers, on the MEX exchange, FGPT USDT trading pair is currently priced as 0.001516, showing a 1.4% increase with 24-hour high 0.001619 and 24-hour low with 24-hour volume 39.27 million and 24-hour amount in USDT is 59.91K. The price chart tell a clear story: early excitement and a short-term fluctuation with a 1.8% rise daily move and a volume of 59.91K. And the price chart tells a clear story: excitement, a strong rally, and now a consolidation upward phase. Traders see this as a natural correction before the next stage of the development. Here you can check out the order book, and you can buy it. You can also sell it with the help of USDT. Dear viewers, BTC USDT trading pair market insight shows that Bitcoin recent dip to around 100,000 with a change of 2.54%. Index price is 100,645 and fair price 100,669, and with 24-hour high and 24-hour low. So it's showing a downward movement, and sentiment shifts across the global market. The MACD perpetual chart shows heavy activity as large trader adjust to short-term volatility. This broader context reminds users that smaller projects like FGPT often move in synchronization with major crypto trends, offering both opportunities and lessons in market dynamics. Dear viewers, the FAR GPT experience is not just about technology, it's about belonging. You should follow Twitter for feature updates, development news, and special campaigns. Dear viewers, Telegram connect directly with the team and get instant updates on new release and community discussions. Discord join an active hub of AI creators, developers, and enthusiasts collaborating to shape the emotional AI era. So at the end, I would like to say that FAR GPT is more than an AI project. It's a movement toward emotional intelligence in the digital world. By combining blockchain empathy and creativity, it's creating a future where technology does not just process information, it connects with people. You will find all relevant links conveniently located in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. Thank you for watching. Stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.